Christine. I'm in Vanuatu, the South Pacific. Today I'm going to have a tour of a Kava bar. Kava is a very popular drink in the South Pacific. It's kind of making you relax, but there's no any alcohol. So it's something special drink. I already tried in Fiji previously, and Fijians say that Vanuatu Kava is stronger and Vanuatu Kava bar is more advanced. So I just came here to check what's there. Let's go inside. There are 4 different sellers and they make kava at their home. Can I have a 50? No. Just a 50. Oh yeah. Here I got the kava. It looks much darker, thicker than Fiji kava. Okay, cheers. It's much stronger than Fijian kava for sure, because they pour roots that they don't use actually powder. So after finishing, I just clean, then I give back to them too. Actually, it's much stronger, so I feel bitterness. I feel my tongue numbness. Kava is popular because it makes you sedative. So far, I tried many times kava, but it never makes me like sleepy, drowsy. So I don't know, it's like alcohol. Some people get drunk easily with only 1 cup. For me, maybe kava is not the thing make me really change it. But I have a limit for kava. If I drink too much, I kind of found the side effect that I can't sleep. So I only drink like only a few glasses, like 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's my maximum. So I'm going to have a few more, but first of all, I'm going to buy some lolly because it's very bitter and I want to actually wash down this. So here they are selling food. On the other side, they're selling lollies. And there's one big difference from Fiji Kava bar. Here, they sell alcohol. In Fiji Kava bar, they don't sell any alcohol, but here they sell everything. In Fiji, people sit around together and they have a basin and they drink one by one, but here it's more individual. And once you get the kava, you drink and then give back. So in Fiji, they never put kava on the bottle, but here they do it. You can buy like 1.5 liter or 500 milliliters. I have one lolly. But this is really bitter for me. I want to kind of wash down. So as you see, it's getting really popular after 5. People come here to socialize, or first they come here to drink and then they move to the restaurant. So this is like a very hot spot in Vanuatu, and if you come to Vanuatu, you should come here as well. Do you guys come here every day, or how often do you guys come?
Come here every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
After working?
After work, yeah.
After working, you just come here and then drink, just talking, and then you go home.
Yeah.
It's called de-stressing.
De-stressing?
Yeah.
When you have a stressful day, come here, socialize, relax,
Yeah?
enjoy the kava.
Does your kava make you feel any different?
Yes, it does.
It does?
Yeah, that just makes you more relaxed.
Yeah. So, how much do you need to make you relax?
Depends on the strength of the kava.
5 to 8.
5 over 100? Wow. How about you guys? How much drink every night?
Yeah, don't lie.
And you?
I'll just say 5.
And does it help you to sleep very well every night?
Well, for me, I think some people say they can't sleep when they drink too much kava.
Yeah, that's my case. That I'm wondering, when I drink too much, I can't sleep. Why is like that?
Yeah, no, I think drink too much.
So I should know that how much I can drink, and I only drink that amount, and then I sleep very well.
Yes.
Ah, good tip. Thank you guys. Enjoy your kava. This is my favorite place in Vanuatu, and I'm really happy to show you around. Please subscribe, like my video, and there'll be more video about the South Pacific and other videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. It's my friend Andres.
Hi.
He was helping filming today.
Cheers. It was good. Quite bitter.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the way.
Yeah, you also need to wash your mouth.
Yeah, this is actually big trick. You know very well.
I do feel it. Mouth or your tongue is a bit numb.
How about like, do you feel drowsy after drink?
No, just numb.
But like after like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, do you feel drowsy?
I haven't gone to that level, maybe tonight.
Thank you for filming, Andres.
No worries.